Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see fractions in that exercise 7b. Name the fractions. Fractions of the apples that are red. 3/5. Fractions of the apples that are green. 2/5. Fraction of the capsicum that are yellow. 1/3. Fraction of the capsicum that are not yellow. 2/3. Color to show the fractions. Okay. 5/6. Color it. Okay. Okay. Remaining you have to do. Next comes to 7c. Exercise 7c. Complete the table based on the figures below. Given figure number of shaded parts, numerator 3. Number of parts in all, denominator 7. So this is 3/7. Next, C. Number of shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Number of parts in all. 8. 7/8. Number of shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Number of parts in all. 5. Fraction of the shaded parts. 5/5 or 1. Okay, you can write it 1 whole. 2, 9. 9. 2/9. Number of shaded parts 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 0/12 or you can write 0. Understood? For this we finished exercise 7c. Tomorrow we will see 7d. Okay. Thank you.